Welcome back to another episode of Investment Crusader. Subscribe to the channel now so you never miss any of our latest content. Residential real estate most commonly refers to single-family homes, but there are other types of residential property. What is residential real estate? Residential real estate is broadly defined as real property, land, and any buildings on it used for residential purposes, the most common example being single-family homes. Commercial real estate, by contrast, includes land and buildings specifically zoned for business purposes only, apartment buildings, office buildings, hotels, etc. This is not to suggest residential real estate cannot generate revenue. Homeowners can rent out their residential properties for passive income or live in them and sell the properties for a profit when home prices increase. 4 examples of residential real estate. There are a few common types of real estate in the residential sector. Number 1. Standalone houses. Standalone homes or single-family homes on their own lots of land are the most common type of residential real estate. Number 2. Townhouses. A townhouse or townhome is an individually owned, often multi-level dwelling that shares 1 or 2 exterior walls with neighboring real estate. Number 3. Condominiums. A condominium or condo is a privately owned individual residential unit situated within a community of other units, like townhomes, high-rise buildings, or a condo complex. Condos are often owned by a person in joint sovereignty with a Condo Owners Association (COA), rather than a large corporation or property management company, as is the case with apartments. Number 4. Multifamily houses. Examples of multifamily homes include duplexes and fourplexes, dwellings with 2 or 4 units respectively. Buildings with 5 or more distinct dwelling units are typically considered commercial real estate. Residential versus commercial real estate. What's the difference? Commercial and residential real estate may look similar at times, but the difference lies in their primary purposes. Residential real estate. Consisting of single-family houses, some multifamily houses, condominiums, and land parcels zoned for residential use, residential properties may look different, but they're all designed for non-commercial purposes only. Depending on local laws, homeowners may lease their homes as short or long-term rental properties, but zoning laws prohibit large-scale commercial operations. Commercial real estate. Commercial real estate is a broad asset class that includes apartments, office buildings, hotels and motels, grocery stores, parking garages, and other public-facing businesses. Factories, warehouses, and other properties used for large-scale business purposes are technically considered industrial real estate, but sometimes fall under the wider category of commercial real estate. Many commercial real estate parcels are overseen by property management companies that work on behalf of a property owner. 3 key takeaways about residential real estate. Keep these considerations in mind when researching residential real estate. Number 1. Residential and commercial real estate markets operate independently. Demand for residential real estate does not always mirror that for commercial property, meaning your real estate investing strategy may look very different depending on the types of properties you're interested in acquiring. Number 2. Local markets vary. To understand the real estate market in your area, connect with a realtor or real estate agent. Attend open houses and browse online listings to get a sense of your local market. Number 3. Financing options vary. If you choose to purchase residential real estate, you may have to work with a mortgage lender. Investigate the lending options available to you and take note of required down payments, proof of income, and interest rates. A note on real estate investment. All investments, including real estate investments, come with inherent risks which may involve the depreciation of assets, financial losses, or legal ramifications. The information presented in this video is for educational, informational, and referential purposes only. Consult a licensed real estate or financial professional before making any legal or financial commitments. And with that, we've reached the end of this episode, all about how to invest in residential real estate and everything you need to know about it. Are you interested in investing in real estate? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this one and found it helpful, remember to leave a like on the video and to subscribe to Investment Crusader for even more amazing videos just like this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.